The prices of silver and gold are again pumping towards the upside. What actually happened and how risky it is to trade in a market like this, I'll be discussing each and everything about commodities in this video, so let's get straight to the point. Starting with the crude oil's daily time frame chart over here, and if you have watched my previous videos, you already know that I'm expecting the prices of crude oil to dump approximately till 55.4 $55.5 level approx till here, because it is already in a downtrend. As you can clearly see, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So I'm expecting a new lower over here, lower high, and I'm expecting a new lower low over here, somewhat over here. Because if I move to weekly time frame chart, just quickly I'll explain you one more time. Because right over here, you can see it is in a clear downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, and then again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is not a new lower low right over here. That's why I'm expecting the price of crude oil to dump approximately till this level to fill this gap right over here, or maybe below it as well, to form a new lower low. So that is what I'm expecting. And right now crude oil got rejected from this important resistance zone. I hope you can clearly see this, from $62 approx to $63.1. This is a very important green resistance zone for now for crude oil, and it got rejected. Let's see what happens. See, I always tell this in my videos that commodity, gold, silver and crude oil are more of a fundamental assets rather than technical. You can do more fundamental analysis on them, and that will play out most of the time rather than technical. And especially this year and the next coming 3 years, the crude oil, gold and silver will lot of volatile and of uncertainty in them. As of now, I'm still expecting the prices of crude oil to dump from here, but again it all depends on the news and what is happening in the world. That will be the final major arrow. But let's see, I'm still expecting a dump in the prices of crude oil as of now. And moving to silver, as you can clearly see, prices of silver is pumping towards the upside. Since I made my last video on silver, it is just pumping incessantly, and that's why I do not enter in a long or short position. Because right over here, when the price of silver was somewhat over here, no one knows where exactly it can go. It can again pump towards the upside as well, it can dump also. I'm pretty sure right now the prices of gold and silver are just volatile, and they are getting affected because of the fundamental news and all the macroeconomic events happening, rather than any technical analysis. Because according to technical analysis, the price of gold and silver should not pump this much, and there has to be a major correction in the market. But as you can see, silver is near its all-time high and gold also near its all-time high. That's why I avoid taking trade in these two commodities for now, because it's just very, I would say, uncertainty here. And I'll only take a trade when I have a lot of conviction. Same is with gold as well. As you can see, the prices of gold are also pumping towards the upside again. Well, to be quite honest, no one knows. The prices of gold and silver can go anywhere from here. And also, don't take this level as resistance. Don't take the all-time high level of silver or gold as resistance. Very easily the price can do a breakout of this level as well. So to be quite exact, I'm personally not taking any trade in gold and silver. And what do you guys think? Comment down below. Obviously no financial advice at all. And yeah, I'm still expecting the prices of gold and silver to dump in the next coming weeks, because they have already pumped a lot. Incessant growth towards the upside, and plethora of buyers got involved over here, and still it's pumping and pumping only, and soon the buyers will get exhausted, and we have to see a good amount of correction in both the commodities as well. So as guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you understand. Right now the prices of crude are still dumping towards the downside slowly. Good, because according to technical analysis it has to dump. But let's see, commodity is more of a, again I would say, I've already said this plethora of times in this video, but it's driven more from fundamental analysis rather than technical. Again, gold and silver, I'm personally not taking any trade, and obviously I'll definitely not take a trade over here. Prices can go anywhere from here, and I'm still expecting a good amount of dump in the prices of gold and silver because it's already overbought, and it's just, I would say, the prices are pumping incessantly again and again parabolically, and I am expecting a halt in them. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.